Hey guys, what's up? It's Monday morning and this is the third episode of Creative Every Day. Now, I received this amazing package by Baron Fig. Baron Fig is a company that I mentioned in like one of my first videos in which I was in front of the camera. And this video was about why you should start wireframing. Wireframing is something I did very often recently. You saw this in the recent videos, and the video back then was kind of funny actually. I didn't have all these equipment, accessories, cameras, lenses, microphones and so on, and actually let's just jump back. Right there you're seeing me sitting in front of my MacBook and my display. And actually this was just like a funny video. I still like to look at it because it's actually funny. It's old, but it's still was like the first video that I did where I was sitting in front of the camera. And right now we are here and doing this kind of recently. And yeah, let's jump back to Baron Fig, the package that I just told you about. Of course, let's open it up. They sent me this package and they are supporting the Creative Everyday Challenge. So let's rip it up and let's see what's inside this green package. Now, what we have here at first, and it's hard to get out, is a pencil. Can you see this? Let's look at the pencil in a few seconds and let's check what other stuff they sent me. Now we have some smaller notebooks right here. They are super small and some of them also have a dotted grid and so on. And then there is a huge part which is the work and play book. The work and play book. I'm so excited to show you this notebook. It's, I think, the best notebook that I can get. I had one of these notebooks before, which is this one, which I used on different conferences and so on. And this is the new version of it. We will see what's in store. But first, let's just jump into looking at the pencil that they sent me. Look at this amazing packaging. This looks super clean. It's not just one pencil, it's actually a box full of pencils. So let me grab one of them out of there. Look at the design, it's so beautiful. It has like this arrow on the one side and on the other side there's Baron Fig, and it has this dark gray and light gray color set, and it's just amazing. Baron Fig, you did an amazing job with this box. Okay, so let's jump in. Here we have the small notebooks. Let me open them up as well. You know, I really love these small notebooks because you can like take them basically anywhere you want, and it doesn't need that much place. You can fit it into your pocket of your jeans. It's just super easy to roll with them. Now it has a lined pages, 3 of them. Amazing, simple, standard design. But of course, let's now jump to the work and play notebook. Let me open this up real quick. Amazing. Let's look what's inside the packaging. Woohoo! It's matte. Look at the matte finish and these embossed icons right there. Look at this beautiful book. It's amazing. First page, another time, the logo. On one side we have the dotted grid, which is just right here. And we have a just blank sheet on the right side. This is, I think, the perfect book. So on the one side you have your dotted grid where you can add your wireframes, add your designs, your sketches and whatever. And on the other side, which is a blank page, you can add notes, you can stick something into the book itself, and it's just built using an amazing quality. So I put the link to Baron Fig down in the video description if you want to check them out. Thanks for supporting me on this journey right here. But that's not it. I wanted to talk with you about some different things that I'm planning. Now, with my Patreon page, and I talked about this before, I plan to do a live chat next Tuesday. So next Tuesday is the 13th of December And if you want to join me, just go to my Patreon profile. And if you support me with $5 every month, you can join the live chat. I'm just trying this out and it works quite well. I just see that you want to support me, but there's a huge pain in the ass nowadays if you have these different time zones available. I live in Germany, most of you guys live in the US, like in San Francisco or maybe in New York City or something like that, and maybe somebody's from London, and we have these different time zones. For example, 6 p.m. is in San Francisco, it's 9 a.m. So it's a huge difference, and I just have to look out for opportunities to fix this, to get a schedule where everybody of this community is able to work with us now. It's actually quite hard. You see these different time zones, and I just want to get everything done really quick to set up a nice live chat. So if you want to join me, just go to the Patreon profile. So other things that are planned for today is to record a video for InVision. They are sponsoring me again, and I finally will have the chance to check out their latest feature, which is called Inspect. Inspect is an amazing feature that helps us designers to hand off perfect design specifications to developers and everybody else. And I just wanted to get my hands on this special feature and to just try it out and to make a tutorial video about it. It will be on the channel in a separate video, and I hope you are looking forward to that as well, because InVision are doing such a great job on just providing the best tools for designers, and they are just improving so much because other companies of course are also getting up quite quickly, and I still love to see what InVision is really giving us designers.
Let's be honest, developers have a lot to worry about. And digging through design files to grab the assets and info they need doesn't help them move any faster. Not to mention the countless hours of back and forth it takes just to get things looking right. So we built Inspect to make designs actionable for developers. It syncs perfectly with your design files and lets developers grab everything they need without ever opening a design program. That means measurements, colors, font styling, CSS, visual assets, and even text. When you know developers will need an asset, just mark it as exportable. Then use Craft Sync to send your designs to InVision with a click. The result? Designers and developers transforming the way they collaborate. Make your developer's day. Start using Inspect by InVision.
So I now finished recording the sketch video about using InVision and their new Inspect feature. I gotta say, the new feature is amazing, and I'm so happy to show you the video, which will come out on Friday. I'm really interested in how this feature may help you, so make sure to write that down in the comment section if you maybe tested it out already, or if you were just searching for some kind of video like this, because Inspect is amazing and it will help us designers to improve our collaboration with developers, and that's super important, and I think this will be super important for the year 2017. I have the feeling that our developers have a total different understanding of design than us designers. And this is not really helping the process of getting a nice application or a nice website designed and developed. So this is something I think the new InVision Inspect feature can really help by giving our developers like clear and defined specifications to change our design in a real working app or website by just looking at all the measures and all the stuff which is featured using this new InVision feature. Have you also experienced such kind of problems when working with different developers? I would be really interested in your story, so maybe you can write them down into the comment section and we can maybe have a nice conversation there about working with developers. This is a not so easy topic, and I'm always like open for new ideas, to be like friends with everyone and to collaborate with them in a great way. Maybe you have the ideas and maybe it's working really well for you, then just write it down, and I'm sure it will also help many other designers as well.